Okay, I've had these braids for like about a month and a half or so, and they are so raggedy, and I just washed my edges out, I think yesterday. So I'm gonna show you how to refresh some braids. All right, so I'm not gonna do anything to the back. I'm just gonna focus on those sides. Yeah. So I'm gonna take this Beauty Edge Control, and I'm going to take this mousse, and these are the only two items that I'm gonna use because I don't want to put a lot of product in my hair because I will be taking the braids out tomorrow. I'm just refreshing it for the day because I got somewhere to go. All right, so I'm gonna start off with the Edge Control on, let's see, I'm just gonna focus on these front 3 braids on each side. Hold on, I'm gonna put these back out of the way. And then I'm gonna make sure I get all the hair in the right braid. Okay, so I'm gonna take this first one. I'm gonna take some Edge Control. Yes, I do have a lot of gray over here, but it is what it is. Take this Edge Control, put it on the edges and in the braid. I'm gonna leave out a little bit of my sideburns. Take this edge brush, the comb part. Make sure I get that Edge Control into that braid. Get a little bit of Edge Control and put it at the base of the braid. And then I'm going to twist backwards like that. Then I'm gonna take a duck clip and I'm gonna clip it back so that it can stay back. Like that. Let's focus on this next braid. And I am getting my hair cut. Well, actually, I'm taking the braids out tomorrow, and I am going to probably do like a wash and go or put it in a bun or something like that because I am getting my hair cut on next Saturday. So I will show you guys that process as well. All right, so I'm gonna take this hair, just kind of comb out that area. It is very dry. Like I said, I did wash my edges yesterday to get all the product out of it. So it's looking a little dry, Chief. All right. Just put that Edge Control on that whole braid. Use the edge comb brush. All right, so take some Edge Control on the base of that braid and twist backwards like that. I'm going to do these 3 and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the edges are done. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this mousse and I am going to put it in the middle and just lay it flat like that. Just like that. Again, I'm not gonna focus on these middle and top braids because I'm taking these braids out tomorrow and I just need something to tide me over for the night. So I got that like that, and then I'm going to take some more and put it on my edges like that. I'm just gonna rub the rest through the rest of the braids like that, just to get it off my hand, really. That's my ends. And then I'm gonna tie an edge scarf on it. I'm not leaving right away, so I'm gonna let this air dry, and then I will be back in a little bit to show you guys the finished product. Okay, so I'll be back. All right, so it's been like an hour or two. I am going to go ahead and take these off of my hair, and I'll show you what the what my edges look like. And I am not putting on makeup, so I don't have much to do. Let's see. Let me fold this down. Still a little wet, but I don't have any more time to wait. All right, so here are the braids. That's the refresh. You can, I was gonna put this to the side, but I forgot to do that little area right there, so I'm not gonna do that. But had I done that little area right there, I actually may still do that. Hold on. No, I don't feel like putting any more product on there. But anyway, so had I put product on that section, I could have worn them to the side like this. But since I didn't, I'm just gonna plop that back over there and push this back on this side and be done with it. I'm gonna take some lip gloss, pop that on there. I'm gonna take a little bit of brow gel and fix the brows. Like that. That's it. That's the braid refresh. I am just going to put my ponytail holder back on and do a half up, half down, like this. Just like that. And I'm done. All right, bye.